This training video is brought to you by K-Alliance. K-Alliance provides high-quality instructor-led training videos for desktop, IT, and soft skills. Visit us online at www.kalliance.com to sign up for your free 7-day trial. Be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something new. Real videos, real learning, real success.
In this demonstration, we are going to look at managing snapshots in Hyper-V for Windows 8. As we've talked about, snapshots allow you to create a point-in-time snapshot that you are able to revert to. You can undo settings, and it's really one of the neat benefits to using virtualization, especially for testing purposes. Let's go ahead and launch Hyper-V Manager. Hyper-V Manager, we see the VMs that we have. My current test machine is running, but we've got these other VMs as well. Now you notice on these VMs they actually have some snapshots, when the snapshot was created. Now they may or may not, some of them do. Okay, so there is a snapshot. Now that's my just current when it is. I'm right now. But I can revert back to that snapshot, or I can apply a snapshot. Now, how do you create a snapshot? If I've made some changes on this machine, and I'd like to, it's basically at my starting point, I need to initially create a snapshot. Just right-click, snapshot. It's that easy. I mean, again, you don't get to pick the location. It's in the same location as the virtual machines themselves. So let's open up Windows Explorer here, and we'll go to these drives, and that was CL2. Okay, you're going to have a snapshots folder in there, and in that we've got our XML config file, and we've got potentially other things. So I'll go to the virtual hard disk here. There we go. There's my AVHD files, the differential disk, and some of those may be related to the snapshots. In the virtual machine file folder, we don't have anything in there. So I don't have any of the VSV files because it wasn't currently running, but all the files are just stored in that specific location. All right. Now, if you wanted to revert to a snapshot, so this is a machine that has been being used, but I go and I revert to the snapshot. Now, keep in mind, if I create an additional snapshot for that machine, so now we have two. When I right-click, I go revert, and it says, okay, just to the previous snapshot, and you say yes. Now that would be the one I just created. So if you wanted to go back further, you could right-click and apply that snapshot. Do you want to apply it? Yes, I want to apply it. The current state will be lost. It'll go back to the way that it was, at that point in time. All right. And so honestly, that really is all there is. All there is to it. There's not much more that you would do. You're going to create these. You can then revert them to them. If you'd like to do it in PowerShell, you can. You can go get VM. That lists out the VMs. Get VM pipe that list of VMs into. Whoops, that's not it. Checkpoint VM. Okay. And that will actually create snapshots for each of the virtual machines in the list. And so that's just a quick and easy way to create a snapshot across all of them. In fact, you can kind of see here it's doing that as we speak. Right? Even on the one that's running, the snapshot is going to take a little bit further time. So a couple different ways in which you can do that, and snapshots, although not a replacement for disaster recovery mechanisms, are a nice alternative that we have when dealing with virtualization. Now it's time for a pop quiz. You are creating a snapshot of your virtual machine in a Hyper-V environment. Which of the following files is used to store the contents of memory if the machine was running when you created the snapshot? A, AVHD, B, VSV, C, bin, D, XML. The answer is C. The bin file stores the contents of virtual machine memory when the machine is in a running state. VSVs are just the standard save state files, and the AVHD is the snapshot differencing disk. The configuration file is the XML file. So sometimes bin files are not used. It's only if the system is up and running when you created the snapshot.
We hope you enjoyed this preview video. Please click on the like button below if you did, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Be sure to visit us at www.kalliance.com to sign up for your free 7-day trial today. You could learn a lot in a week.